How to manifest 80 grand instantly. That's what we're going to be talking about today with Barbara, who's one of my top followers, and she has some questions for me. So, guys, whoever wants to manifest shitloads of money, you're going to probably have similar problems as Barbara. Just to remind you, if you are manifesting millions, you need to be the version of you now who's a millionaire. Not when you receive the money. To receive the money, you have to feel like the version which already is a millionaire, which means you have to behave like it, act like it, feel like it. And that's what I'm teaching in Millionaire Accelerator. You need to be on the waiting list. The link is down below in the video description. You need to do that before the money can arrive. And I'll teach you everything about it I know. And it's going to be fantastic. So, Barbara, tell us what you're manifesting.
Hi, I'm manifesting 80 grand, $80,000.
Awesome,
Um,
excellent. Do
yeah,
you already know what you're gonna do with it?
yes. I've spent it already.
In a great detail. Okay,
Yeah.
excellent. So how long have you been manifesting it?
For a few months now, maybe 5 months.
Okay, okay, that's
So
a long enough time.
maybe I'm doing something, maybe I'm doubting it, or there's something I'm not doing, I think.
Okay, so tell us how you're manifesting the mechanics of it. So what strategies or tools are you choosing or techniques? What have you done so far?
Okay, so during the day, I do one meditation with visualization. So
Okay.
I visualize spending the money.
Mm,
And then before I go to bed, I see myself spending the money, like using the money. And in the morning, I say to myself, how will I feel if I spent the money yesterday? And then I try to maintain that feeling during the day. But I think um, there are some times during the day that maybe I fail because, for example, when I'm in my car, something that I want to do is fix my car. So my car is not so good. But when I hear something strange in my car, my stomach goes like, oh, and maybe that's when I
okay. I get
mess
it. That's
everything.
the fear. And
Mm.
what if it breaks? And what am I gonna do? I don't have the money. Okay, so let's take it from the beginning. First of
Mm-hmm.
all, I think you're doing way too much.
Okay.
If you don't have to imagine to manifest.
Mhm.
It's not mandatory.
Okay.
If you
Okay.
insist on it, you can do it once or maybe for a week and then you drop it.
Okay.
Because doing it all the time, that feels desperate. That sends a desperation vibe. And I don't know how exactly you do it, but it could also be perceived as constantly asking. When you're constantly asking, you're stuck in a constantly asking and not receiving.
Okay. Perfect.
Yeah, so you're doing
Okay.
it too much.
Mm-hmm. Perfect.
We say, okay, 80 grand, thanks. And then we move on with life and never think of it again. And if it comes like, will it happen? I already made a decision that it's mine. There's nothing to discuss. I'm not talking to anyone about this. End of.
Mm-hmm.
It's mine. And then you need to monitor your thoughts throughout the day and pick on the car thing. Yes, if the car goes wrong, how will I pay for it? I need to have a fix. I feel anxious. That's all talking from lack. You cannot be in
Mm.
the state of lack on one side and want abundance on the other. That's not that you're serving two masters. That's not how it
Mhm.
works. You need to pick one. So which one are you picking? The lack or the
The
abundance?
the abundance. Yeah.
So that's where you have to stay the whole day. I
Okay.
have money. The money is happening. I can pay for everything. Money is not an issue. There is plenty of it. I'm abundant. I live abundant life. I see abundance everywhere. I see so many supermarkets, so many trees, so many bees, so many spiders, so many cars, so many shoes, so many people. There's abundance of everything, and I'm grateful for everything in my life. What is abundant? You write a list of it, you remind yourself, and you stay in the place of abundance.
Okay.
So,
Yeah.
and those are things I can see right now. I would have to investigate in a private session, of course, if there's what's going on in the subconscious mind. But from what I can judge in a talk like this, these are the things you're not doing correctly. Because having a doubt and redirecting back to I'm abundant, it's okay, because doubt actually can be a very positive thing. But
Mm-hmm.
uh, feeling lack, that's not a doubt. That's literally you fighting what you want. Um,
Okay.
you're you're
Okay, I
you're
get.
you're
Mm.
one time you're standing here, and then
Mm-hmm.
you go and you're standing here. And the universe is, she doesn't want it. She wants it. She doesn't want it. She wants it. And the universe is going crazy. And the
Mm.
universe's only thought is the vodka bar. They have installed for these occasions, okay? Because he was like, I can't deal with this. I can't deal with this. It's too much. Because 1 second here, 1 second here, 1 second here. It's like I couldn't cope with it. Your soul is struggling with it, so is the universe. So you need to decide where you belong, this lane or this lane, and stay in.
Yeah.
And that's not what you're doing. So of course it's not
Yeah.
coming.
Yeah. I see myself a very positive person and thinking abundant most of times, but my daughter who listens to me, she's 12. Sometimes she tells me, Mom, why are you like choosing another option? You said you want this, and now I hear you saying I don't have it.
Yeah,
Why? And I'm like,
yeah.
oh my God, my
So
daughter
she
is,
knows. So she
yeah,
knows.
she knows.
You're
Yeah.
not tracking your thoughts correctly. You're
Mm-hmm.
not
Yeah.
tracking what's going on and correcting it. And
Yeah.
that's
Yeah.
what's tripping you up. You're not staying in this lane. You're wavering. You're going from, back, from, left, right, left, right, left, right. And universe is going, I'm not going to give it to her. I may give it to her. I'm not going to give it to her. I will give it to her. I'm not going to give it to her. And that's why
Mm.
you're not going to receive it. Because
Okay.
they did
Yeah.
put it in the mail room, then they retrieved it, and they put it in the mail room, then they retrieved it. And it's like, you can be doing this for the next 100 years.
No.
So you need to pick a place and stay
Yeah.
there no matter what. Even if you see horrible things in the 3D reality, no, I made a decision to stay here. This is what I'm doing because what I see in 3D doesn't matter. I'm staying here. That's the end of story. Period. End of sentence.
Mm.
Yeah?
Okay.
Does it make
Yeah.
sense?
Yeah. Very much. Very much.
Fantastic. Any other questions?
No, I think I would have to see about the session because, yeah, in my life, I manifested many things. Like I know we are manifestors, but often I find myself in this type of things. Like I'm going there and then I come and I go back and I want to know how to catch it before it's late, Like I'm going this direction
It's
and
okay. So to find the subconscious block, I need to see you, but to quickly reflect
yeah.
what you just said, it's called golden 3 second Yana rule. You find out that you're wavering, that you're going to this lane, and you say, "No, I said I'm staying here." Very
Mm,
powerfully, and you stay, and you stop paying attention to that. You make yourself.
mm,
Yeah, that's how I deal with it. That's how it works for me. When I have a very strong stand, that thing goes away. But
yeah.
for everything else, because I'm sure there's going to be more, I would need to see you in session. Okay, so hopefully
Yeah.
we'll meet there.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
wonderful.
Okay.
Thank you for coming and
Great.
asking good questions, and I'll see you
Thank
soon.
you.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
Okay. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye.